Today we will discuss the types of chemical bond. It is formed between two atoms depend upon nature of atoms or electronegativity. The chemical bond is mainly three types. First one, electrovalent or ionic bond. Second one, covalent bond. Third one, metallic bond. Electrovalent or ionic bond proposed by Cossell. First we will discuss the ionic bond. Ionic bond. Ionic bond, it is electrostatic force attraction between opposite charged ions. That means negative or positive. For example, cation or anion. Opposite charged ions. Opposite charged ions formed by transfer of electrons. That means ions transfer from anion to cation form molecules. This is called as a ionic bond. Take one example. Sodium Na plus, chlorine Cl minus. In this, electrons transfer from chlorine to sodium, which forms a bond, that is ionic bond or electrostatic bond. This is electrons are transferred to one ion to another ion. So it is called as ionic bond or electrovalent bond. These are actually three steps. First step, formation of cation. That means formation of cations from metals. Sodium, potassium, calcium, zinc. These are the metals. In these metals, which forms cations. Next, formation of anions. Formation of anions. These are formed from the non-metals. These are the metals, these are the non-metals. And another last step, association of opposite charge, that is sodium plus Cl minus, which forms molecule, that is sodium chloride. This bond is called as a ionic bond. Let us discuss the covalent bond. Covalent bond proposed by Lewis. It is nothing but the chemical bond formed by mutual sharing of electrons. That means in this, electrons are shared and each other and form a chemical bond. This chemical bond is called as a covalent bond. This sharing of electrons between two atoms is called as a covalent bond. In this, electronegativity difference between two atoms less than 1.9. In ionic bond, more than 1.9, but in covalent bond less than 1.9. Sharing of electrons involves one or two or three pairs. Results, one chemical bond is formed. These chemical bonds shown as a single bond or double bond or triple bond. These are the symbols or chemical bonds. In this, two types bonds are formed. One is the bond formed similar atoms. In this bond, the covalent bond is formed between similar atoms and forms non-polar covalent bond. That means similar atoms. Similar atoms examples H2, N2, H2, O2, etc. These are the similar atoms. These are the non-polar covalent bonds. Another one, dissimilar atoms. Dissimilar in this example HCl, H2O, NH3, etc. These are the dissimilar. That means in this two types atoms, H and oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen. In this only similar, H2, hydrogen, hydrogen, nitrogen, nitrogen, fluorine, fluorine, oxygen, oxygen. These are the similar atoms. In this dissimilar atoms. Dissimilar atoms, this is called as a polar covalent bonds. Next, properties. Properties of covalent compounds. These are the gases or volatile, liquids or solids. Mostly these are examples: benzene, alcohol, ether. These are the volatile compounds. These are the examples for covalent bonds. These are the non-polar solvents, and these are the insoluble in water, and also low melting point and boiling point, and force of attraction between these molecules, weak van der Waals forces. So boiling point, melting point is very low. Next, in this electric conductivity is in this covalent the covalent compounds don't conduct electricity due to lack of ions. Next, in this, these are exhibit isomerism. In this, so many isomers are formed. So these compounds, which compounds exhibits isomerism, and also this chemical reaction is in this very slow, and also the covalent bonds, these are the reversible reactions.